Tonight, the state attorney in charge of prosecuting the case says they are going full steam ahead with it. In an exclusive interview, Attorney Bakkedahl says Harjinder Singh's immigration status is complicating the case, but they are determined to pursue it fully. Investigative reporter Terry Parker sat down with Bakkedahl in a story you will only see on WPBF 25 News. And Terry, Bakkedahl tells you that he is working hard to untangle Singh's immigration history.
He does, Tiffany. He says first they have to look in this very complicated backstory of how Singh came to be driving that truck here in Florida. And he says working with California and federal immigration officials just makes it harder.
Harjinder Singh has been arrested but not formally charged yet in the crash that killed 3 people on Florida's Turnpike last week. And prosecuting Singh for 3 counts of vehicular homicide falls to State Attorney Attorney Bakkedahl.
I mean, I'm not letting this guy go. He's going to be a resident of the state of Florida for a very long time.
Bakkedahl says the case is especially complicated because Singh is an illegal immigrant but was granted a driver's license and a commercial truck driver license, even though it's unclear how much English and other understanding of U.S. law he has.
What's the extent of his understanding of the language, his understanding of road signs, you know, just the basic stuff that we kind of all take for granted. So that takes us in a whole, you know, we got to get information from California, not a very friendly jurisdiction to the state of Florida.
Bakkedahl says the federal government is cooperating and giving access to his office, but it's complicated and they are still working to gather background.
We knew that his status as an illegal alien made the potential for flight greater, so we had to act quickly. So we're kind of playing a little catch up.
Singh fled to California and was brought back to Florida by Lieutenant Governor Jay Collins and is now in the St. Lucie County Jail. Bakkedahl promises a vigorous prosecution.
I can say that he decided to make a U-turn in the wrong circuit. I can tell you that.
And I asked Attorney Bakkedahl, what does he think about that online petition asking for leniency for Singh? It has over 2.5 million signatures. And here's what he told me. He said, quite frankly, I don't care if they had 250 million signatures, as we are going to follow the law and do our jobs as required. Bakkedahl says the state has 30 days to file formal charges. He thinks that will happen fairly swiftly. Terry Parker, WPBF 25 News.